Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna get started on my boy Larry's R35. It's been a long time coming. I've had the car for probably the past 10 years. It's unbelievable, but you know, it's long story, you know, through different deployments, and I moved and he moved several times and deploying. Anyway, he hasn't had his car for 10 years. Hasn't driven this thing. It's even unbelievable how that time has even passed. But we finally got all the parts in. All right, that he wanted to do for his build. All right, we got the color. All right, that we're gonna spray it, and pretty much now it's just time to go ahead and put it all together. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it, get everything done, and hopefully we'll have this bad boy ready for the Dragon in October, along with mine. So yeah, so that's the plan, guys. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and start taking shit apart and get ready to work. All right.